Tana versus Obsidian versus Notion. What note-taking app is better? So if you're looking for the perfect note-taking app, one that's smart, fast, flexible, and doesn't get in your way, well, today we're putting both three of these head-to-head so you don't have to waste hours testing them all. Now let's start off with Tana. If Notion and Roam had a baby with superpowers, that's Tana. It's fast, everything is connected, and the real magic, live queries and tags. You build your own structure as you go. This is best for people who love outlining and connecting ideas, building a second brain that auto organizes itself. Pros: auto database with no setup, daily notes, backlinks, tagging feels natural, feels futuristic because it is. Cons: not beginner friendly, still in early development, so no offline mode yet. Invite only or limited free access depending on time. Obsidian for offline power users. You own everything and it lives on your device. So Obsidian is perfect for people who want full control. It works offline and everything is just markdown files on your hard drive. This is best for writers, researchers, and developers who want privacy and custom setups. Anyone building a long-term knowledge base. Pros: offline and 100% private. Tons of plugins and themes, local files, easy to back up. Cons: learning curve, you build everything from scratch, no built-in collaboration tools. Now, if you still can't decide, try all free. They're free or have trials, and the right one will just feel right once you start using it.